In this video, you will learn some adjectives and adverbs in Spanish. Let's start with this word big. So in Spanish, we say grande, grande. How about when it is small? We say pequeño or pequeña, pequeño or pequeña. Pequeño when it's masculine, and then pequeña when it's feminine. How about the adjective good? In Spanish, good is bueno or buena, bueno or buena. When we say well, that's bien, bien. Not well, we say in Spanish, no bien or no está bien, no bien or no está bien. Bad, in Spanish, we say malo or mala, malo or mala. How about the adverb badly? We say in Spanish mal, mal. How about when we say much, a lot of? In Spanish, we say mucho or mucha, mucho or mucha. Very, in Spanish, muy, muy. You can say very well, and in Spanish, muy bien, muy bien. How about the word enough? In Spanish, we say bastante or suficiente, bastante or suficiente. The word hot in Spanish, it's caliente, caliente. How about the word warm? In Spanish, we say entibiar or tibiar, or cálido, cálida, entibiar, tibiar, or cálido, cálida. Cold, in Spanish, we say frío or fría, frío or fría. When you're ahead of schedule or early, we say in Spanish temprano or temprana, temprano or temprana. When you're behind the schedule or delayed or late, in Spanish we say tarde or retrasado or retardado, tarde, retrasado, retardado. When you think that something is easy or easy to do, easy in Spanish is fácil, fácil. How about when it's difficult? We say in Spanish difícil, difícil. Beautiful in Spanish, we say hermoso or hermosa, hermoso or hermosa. Few in Spanish, we say poco or poca, poco or poca. When it's a few, in Spanish we say unos pocos, unos pocos. Many, we say muchos or muchas, muchos, or muchas. When we say more in Spanish, we say más, más. Less is menos, menos. About or almost, we say casi, casi. When we say important, in Spanish, we say importante, importante. How about the word same? In Spanish, we say mismo or misma, mismo or misma. How about the word similar? In Spanish, we say similar, similar. So they just have the same spelling. How about when it's opposite? We say opuesto or opuesta, opuesto or opuesta. Different, we say diferente, diferente. Up, upstairs, we say in Spanish arriba, arriba. How about down or downstairs? In Spanish, we say abajo, abajo. Fast, in Spanish, we say rápido or rápida, rápido or rápida. Slow, we say lento or lenta, lento or lenta. When we say slower in Spanish, we say más lento or más lenta, más lento or más lenta. When we say slowest in Spanish, we say más lento or más lenta, más lento or más lenta. So they just have the same translation with slower. How about slowly? In Spanish, we say despacio, despacio. Near, in Spanish, we say cerca, cerca. Nearer, we say más cerca, más cerca. Nearest, we say in Spanish más cercano, más cercano. Only, in Spanish, we say solamente, solamente. Alone, in Spanish, we say solo, solo. So actually, they only and alone, they have the same meaning or similar meaning. So you can say solamente for alone, and you can also say solo for only. Already, in Spanish, we say ya, ya. When you're ready, in Spanish, we say listo or lista, listo or lista. All right. Spanish. In Spanish, we say español, español. English, we say in Spanish inglés, inglés. American, we say americano or americana, americano or americana. For British, we say británico or británica, británico or británica. For Mexican, we say mexicano or mexicana, mexicano or mexicana. When it's tall or high, we say in Spanish, alto or alta. Alto or alta. When it's short or low, we say in Spanish, bajo or baja. Bajo or baja. That's all for today. I hope you'll remember all of these words here and you'll be able to use them in constructing sentences in Spanish. You just have to write down each of the words and then say them out loud so it will be easier for you and quicker for you to remember.